Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add like beam transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you wanna add like beam transition, so you just click on the box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this you can click on the effect, this one, and then in here you can swipe until you can see like beam effect, this one. So you just click on it, and after this you can set the duration for the transition. You can swipe left or right this icon like this. And after this, if you wanna apply to all a video, so you just click on apply to all, and now you can click on the check icon in here and finish. So that how to add like beam transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.